Hello everyone, a simple way to use Android platform online base by installing Bluestacks 5 in your PC. Actually, Bluestacks is an American technology company known the Bluestacks app player and the other cloud base. So I have already opened the website Bluestacks, and you just don't download this, and after downloading you will get, as you can see, I have already downloaded Bluestacks 5 in my computer, and I want to open. First you need to open Bluestacks Instant Multi-Instant Manager. Because it's managing everything, you should do like this: start, and it's opening the Android cloud-based platform to you, and you can use a mobile online base, and it's providing any kind of phone. So here is my phone. It's a Samsung phone, and the specification and the storage will goes to my computer. So as you can see here, my email is open. It's opening. As you can see, it's open, same like my mobile. And here is I fetch a notification from my WhatsApp. Okay, and this is the main screen of my phone. Okay, and you just need to download any application from Play Store. Easily open Play Store and type your name application, and it will download to your mobile in this Bluestacks. And I have already installed WhatsApp. I'm opening WhatsApp, and as you can see, I have received message from friends, and it's same like my mobile. And I'm just doing the size. See, it's same like my phone. By the way, if you have any difficulties or hang, just do this. Here is simple shake of your phone. Oh, where is, yeah, this one, and it will solve the problem. And I'm going back here. So, and you need, if you want to install any gaming, you can go to Play Store and download your favorite game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe and like my videos, and I have already shared a video how to boost CPU performance in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thank you. Bye.